Welcome to my Garage Talk series. This is where we're going to work on projects. We're going to have guests here. Who knows what's going to be rolling in here, but stay tuned. This is where it's all going to happen. Hey everyone, it's Sunday. We're working on Alfonso again. So I pulled out the jalousie window and I'm going to go ahead and OSPO in the frame here. I figure instead of taping it all off and spraying the inside, I'm just going to take the window out. And so I did find a little bit of rust in here, so I'm going to go ahead and OSPO that and throw some paint on there and we should be good. I'm probably going to do the other side too. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted, and hopefully the car will look even better. So now we're going to start OSPOing the frame and let's see how that turns out. All right, so now I've removed the other jalousie window. The actual sill looks actually pretty good on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it off a little bit and we're gonna go ahead and OSPO it again. So I think we'll be pretty good. This should be a quick one. Well, as you can see, we put the jalousie windows in. Now we're going to go ahead and put the rear passenger side glass in. So unfortunately, the frame for the little vent window rotted all out in the bottom, so I still got to get another piece for that. But I'm still looking around for that, so hopefully I can get that before Bug Jam. We'll see if I can get this done before Bug Jam. But here we go. What you're going to have to do, it's going to be very difficult. Well, you could close it a little. These are probably going to be a little more. Typically, this would be, I don't know if I should go out there first to do this. Push it in. And
So
then
now, let's look and see if anything's impeding us.
so I didn't fill up anything here where the glass would be, just the outside edge.
So all this.
Yep, I didn't fill any of that. That's just over here towards the end. I had to, like from this point maybe here on.
Okay.
The lip on here. So this is. But did you want me to say you want me to take this out and put it to the bottom rip, pull it all out, and gotta go from that point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, flip this upside down so this will start at the bottom.
Okay. I'll pull it out. Yeah. Let's see. I'll start down.
Start on your right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right. Go a little bit on your left,
Okay.
about the same amount. There you go. All right, now back to your right. Bring it to right to the corner, and that should start sucking in.
Okay.
All right, right there. Now go back to your left.
Okay.
All right. Now back to your right.
It's
Way too far out. That bottom is in. Well, we push too hard, that's gonna break.
yeah. That's the issue. I was almost there. I'm like, yeah. I was just kept pushing it. We were pushing this way, and we got to like push into like this was almost was in. Well, you saw it. It was like almost there.
All right. Well, let's do it a different way.
Okay.
If that wants to pull out on us, if we go from the bottom, and it wasn't working from you going from the top, let's go from the side. We'll start the string on the side.
Okay.
Get the whole side in, and this way we can suck a corner up,
Okay.
suck another corner in,
Okay.
and then that might pull it in.
The only issue I had was right here in this corner. It seemed like it would fit everywhere else. It was close here, but I could have probably got up with this corner. This.
So yeah, let's start there.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's make sure that rub is all the way on,
Yeah.
and then giggity.
Yep.
Get a bus, they said. It'd be a good idea.
Yeah, it'll be fun. They said.
Yeah.
Won't cost too much money.
No. Good thing there's
It's an
some cheap-
affordable hobby.
Yeah, good thing there's some cheap.
This is what
line?
it's looking, yeah.
Maybe at too much of an angle to try to get it to go in. That's why it's so high, maybe. So if we come out a little bit more, it'll drop the window down. That was the easiest way. We almost had it because we were fighting like this. We were fighting different ways. I was trying all different scenarios, and it was pain in the neck. But I mean, we could try. We could try and
Let's
line
try
it up that way. I guess.
Let's try these corners. All right. Yeah, give him side, Craig.
Get the side.
And
Okay.
yeah,
Let me see. This is all dry. Let's see what outside.
pull this bottom corner first,
Okay.
and then we'll try the top and see if this starts moving in
Okay.
at an angle.
What I also did was I went ahead like this, pushed the ceiling like this. Oop. That. I just kept going like this, easing it, easing it, easing it, easing it.
That's kind of all you can do.
And
Yeah, this right here is super tight right here.
yeah, I don't want to snap it. I think it's gonna snap. The other one, yeah. The other
See how
one,
tight that is?
yeah. And this is let's see. Yeah, it's tight. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see. I mean, I could try it close.
Yeah, this is weird, man. This thing should
We
just be
almost had
going.
it in.
It's like the seals are just a little
Yeah, it's
too
aftermarket
thick.
Yep.
seals probably just, cheap. Just make them too big. That's why.
Even the bus we saw in Arizona wasn't all the way in.
Yeah. That's.
These aftermarket parts.
Yeah.
It's weird that I didn't go down there.
Yeah. I know. I mean, that's really all it is. This is a good ear. And when I push it down, I'm pushing on the rubber. It's like I could push the rubber down, so I don't know what issue we're having. It's like I have no idea. I guess I could just leave like this, tape this part, and just roll back. Like, hey guys, I got my seal in.
Get the bug jam,
Yeah.
window falls out, you hit a bump.
Like, oh no.
Wrap it on this corner here. Pull down. This way we can actually get
try
some
it.
kind of leverage. Some kind of leverage, without
Oh, it's in the shed, honey.
breaking the window,
Yeah.
We got, that'll kind of give us some kind of leverage.
We didn't have this much issue with that, with the windshield.
Craig, would do that. Do it from the outside.
Huh?
Do it from the outside.
Okay. Do you want it to be one end out here and then one there? Is that what we're trying to do?
Oh, maybe. Let's try. Got space. Yeah. Hey, and
Yeah.
do me a favor. Hold this end on my left. Hold that in. Okay. Yep. Just up and over. Let me see. I feel like a serial killer right now.
Do you want more, you want me to wipe it? Spray it?
Oh, Craig. Oh, Craig. Oh, Craig.
Do you need me to go in there and push,
Come here, Craig. Look at that. Push that corner. that thing.
Yeah.
This
Still
is
sticking
still
up pretty
high.
far, yeah.
Yeah, this is still high, but that back lip was starting to go.
Yeah, it's just like. It's right there. Let me get the. Hold on a sec. Let me get this.
I have another idea. If you just take a hammer and hit the window really hard, you don't have that problem
Yeah,
anymore.
might
it'll
fit.
make it fit. Looks like this is kind of high right here. Like on that. Like you can see it flat and then it goes bubbles up. Yeah, there you go. I wonder if like pushing down on the.
Plan W,
Yeah.
take the seal off, put the window in, and just caulk.
Yeah.
You're good with caulk.
Mhm. Probably, that's I think the best bet is to cut it, because I mean, we can keep trying pulling this out and stuff. I don't think it's gonna change anything with the track.
Yeah, but even if you do that, then it's gonna be, you have the possibility of it coming loose and falling out.
Well, I don't know. Once I pull it in, once it fits in, and that other seal catches on the lip in there, you know, and then it's in the track.
Nothing? Why don't we work on this Sunday, we take it out, and we go over in detail what could be holding this thing up. We try to flatten out the whole sill, and we'll just instead of trying to hurry and get it in, let's just really take our time and look at it and see, and then even try to get this fucking piece off. And
Yeah.
like we'll get into it in depth, and just work on it, you know, so we can get it in right, you know.
Yeah.
Because I'm scared that if you keep cutting that rubber, you drive it, you hit a bump, and that shit pops out. There goes your window. Now you got free AC.
I like AC.
Do you have AC in this?
Yeah, it came with
You
AC.
do
I
have
don't.
AC?
I have the compressor sitting here with all the parts. They pulled the compressor out and had the whole under unit.